guys, welcome back to Tesha's TV. So today I am going to take you on a tour because we are going to go to the market. I will get some pork because I'm going to do some jerk pork for you guys outside. I don't have the jerk pan, but definitely I am going to do it on the cold stove because you know a cold stove is say right through. So cold stove is gonna be jerk your pork pan cold stove. So even though if you don't have no jerk pan, you don't have to worry. You're not have to worry. So stay tuned and continue to watch what I go on while me take you to the market and then you know back to home. So we're gonna get to every little thing from the market, like you know our green vegetables and stuff. Also, so guys, if you're new to my channel, big up yourself, and my folks, my MTM fans, big up on yourself also, guys. And if you're not subscribers yet, way fan, please go and do so now. Thank you guys for watching me, bringing out my contents and everything. I really do appreciate you all. So stay tuned with me. Make me carry the market. So yeah, as a girl when living in the country, we got market. So watch this. Okay guys, so now I go buy my sweet potato. Let's see here. Friday markets always the best. You come and everybody has a line out. So getting my potato. Alright, you know, say in the market now you can basically then say support one person. So you just walk around and you support everybody. So everybody would get a little stuff. So this is our local market. Just something similar to Coronation Market. Maybe not as crowded as possible. So you know. Yeah. Getting the stuff them ready because I guess I'm gonna do something else. And guys, coming in the market, the stuff they're not even expensive. Cause I swear things some that got here $1 million out of dollar. And see they're very kind and nice. So I'll pack up my bag. So ensure say I'm just go market because I mean like a whole heap of different stuff sell in the market, like not just your grown provision or stuff like that. You get like plate, your fork, you know, liquid soap, your you know that's that thing that people used to use back then, like camphor ball and stuff. Every little thing you can think of, they in the market. Okay guys, so as I say, you know, just support one person. You basically walk around and give everybody a little support. So now I am getting my freshly green lettuce and my string bean. So guys, I had to get more sweet pepper because I tell us that the things them then gone down really low where I could afford to get in more stuff. Alright guys, so as me did say before, I just walk around and give everybody a little support. So now I'm getting my scallion. As we say in the market, every little thing. So clothes from a pin to an anchor. So you can get everything. I need a peg of garlic. A peg? Yeah. And a peg. What you call Ross? What you call this? A peg?
Garlic.
Yeah.
A sachet.
Sachet. Oh, you may say people not a peg. A peg is just a single one. You hear there? Alright, so I need a sachet of garlic.
Yeah.
See with me? My young still, so I may about peg.
One bag.
You know, one bag, one peg. You hear that? So see all who learn just like me. You see it? Come on, alright. So I learned today. One sachet.
7 and 2 9.
Alright. Alright, so now I need a bungle of callaloo. I know I not get that one wrong this time. Freshly green callaloo. Not the ones them we cut up in a bag. I already did it. You know, so I'm gonna go home. We're gonna start out this because we in the country we basically used to cutting up. Alright guys, so now we don't really have like a whole heap of people out and I sell and stuff, but these are people I actually knew in person. Really, yeah. Alright guys, so getting my work. Alright, so not bad. So you know where this I go do here now. Okay guys, so basically you can get anything at all with the ones in the market. Get some people here don't come and see it. So you know you can get your pork, your freshly pork, your goat, your beef, whatever you want for in the market. So I'm gonna leave my bag here so I'm gonna buy my pork because I'm going home to season it and then show you guys the preparation. Okay guys, so just coming in from the market, just reach home so you can get a fresh pork or your fresh meat where you want. You have to go in the market for that. I think they normally do market on Friday and Saturday. Yeah. But normally they don't come out early. But you know them are young people nowadays, them now come out of bed. Like myself. They now wake up early. But normally you know you got market from 6 o'clock. You can get your meat and everything to go home. And guys, may I tell you, say the seasoning them in the market, well reasonable. It's like I actually come home with a bag, less than 5,000. A real nice size bag, less than 5,000. So actually, the vegetables them and everything are go down. So we think we can afford them now for kinda, you know, buy them. So guys, I'm gonna leave my car though to season up the pork because we're gonna do some jerk pork today. So I go down to Michael's school because today is Jamaican day. I'll go down to school and drop him his grandma down there. So she can actually stay with him a little and support the school also. So stay tuned, soon come back.
So guys, I'm there. I'm gonna season the pork now. So I have my blended natural seasoning. Blend scallion, onion, thyme, understand all of those things with some oil, a tip of water and so on. Blend it up. I have my normal Maggi and Maggi again. So I'm gonna get them on the pork now, season it to make it marinate and put them for like about an hour or two and it soak in so the flavors and so can sink in it. And when you eat a jerk pork, you know, say, yeah, the jerk pork tastes like a real Jamaican jerk pork. So, catch me while I'm seasoning. Yeah, man, so I add on Maggi. This is our Maggi chicken. Maggi chicken pan it. Also the all-purpose. I mean, you can use them singly, but you know, oftentimes we use two of them pan it. And I said, now I get in my natural seasoning. As I said, this was blended. So these are the natural herbs them blended up from start. So add on these on it. And just add on a moderate amount. I don't have to use everything, but add on a nice amount. So now I go rub it up. Ensure so when it's done you see the seasoning over all parts of the meat. You know, be sure so yes it's well seasoned. Yeah, and also guys, my hands are washed before, so my hands are clean. So, you know, I mean when I use a dirty hand because there's a cleanliness is next to godliness and I'm a godly person, so you know, cleanse this. So I'm gonna rub in the seasoning. Ensure it reach all parts of the meat. Right down when it says season down to the bone. So mean the seasoning gone right down to the bone area. So once I rub them in, Feel like it might just take a little tip more. Rub it so it's soaked in. Yeah. And these are meaty parts of the pork, so the seasoning is hard to soak in. And these parts are meaty. Okay guys, so finish rub it up now. So I'm gonna leave it, make it soak for about, as I say, about an hour or two. And noted, you guys can do this from like the night before. It's best to do it like from the night, even a day before, and leave it so the seasoning, the longer it stays, the more the seasoning will soak in, and the more when you jerk it, you will taste the flavor in it. You understand? So you can leave as like, you can even season it a week before and put it down. The longer it stays, the better. But me, I'm gonna leave this for like about 2 hours or so. Make it soak in, and by them time they know, Tish will be ready to put it on the jerk pan and start the process. Yeah guys, and also I know maybe when I see the party and I wonder what it be, but this is actually the stamp from the market. The butcher have to certify that the meat is good for consumption. So when they kill the animal, you have an inspector who comes and they will inspect the meat to ensure that it's safe for human consumption, and they will put a stamp on it. So this blue thing, it's edible. Understand? It's a stamp given by the inspectors before the butchers take the meat to the market. So if you go to market and you don't see this pan the meat, or none of you meet them, which means that the meat never passed by an inspector, which means you know certified for consumption. So when you eat it and someone to you, you know nobody to blame. You understand? But this is just a certification to say yes, the meat is safe for human consumption. Alright?
Okay guys, so now I come back from the my son's school, and you know, I go start the jerk pork. Basically, because some not catch as yet, so later on I'm gonna make her catch a fire and see if you know how to catch coal stove better than me, or you know, cause sometimes we women want to challenge men them. So let me see if you actually can catch coal stove. So guys, this is oregano, otherwise known as French thyme. It's nice to put in your pot, whether you have brown stew. Some people put it in a curry or whatever it is, but it's actually good and nice, smell really nice. So I'm gonna add a piece of this to my pot to boil my jerk pork. And this is our whole Jamaican pimento leaf. Real natural seasoning for your jerk pork, your stew pork, your anything at all we have do. Actually this I don't know rice and peas. I think I can put some in rice and peas because I did cinnamon leaf the other day in the stew peas. But this normally use for jerk. Can put it, rub it up in a seasoning, put in a water on. Actually I put on some when it's a jerk, which I am going to do later. So guys, here I have with me my pot with my seasoning and everything, my garlic, which I never put in yet, so I'm gonna do that soon. And in this pot now you have like the same natural seasoning them. The only thing I don't have to this is onion, but I like my scallion, browning, pepper, and some other natural seasonings. And you know, so later on the pork I go up on fire. So stay tuned. Me call the ketchup cold stove.
Alright now guys, now catch the coal stove using the new style. We now use the old style as in our grandparents and our parents used to use. We use one modern style, which is a use used oil. You can use new oil, but, and when I say oil, I mean cursing, I mean cooking oil. So you can use used cooking oil, preferably for more conservation, to ensure so you get 2 use out of the oil. Use it cook up some food when it's original and so on. Then you're going to use it now as fuel to your fire. So now I'm going to catch a coal stove using that process, and we call it a new process. Big up again to this little kitchen. Colors Me TV. I mean, them would have watched and would have learned this process from. So you understand? So, right about now, catch me as me, I catch the whole stove. Alright, first you make a hole in the middle. Then you put down your napkin or your paper towel or what. Then you add some oil. Nice amount. Then you're gonna gas your matches. Breeze kinda blow, so no.
Okay guys, let's see. You
light a paper towel and just to ensure so the fire go blaze, me have some little bram or some piece of twigs. So me go put over it.
Guys, me not do this. One light.
You understand? This is just for double certification. This is just to ensure say it catch. You don't have to do this, but it's just to ensure say the fire catch. You put some twigs over it just to cause the fire blazing. You understand? And just like that, the coal stove gonna lead the nana out again. You understand? Once you see the fire blaze like that, it's gone. You understand? So again, the new process, the new 2026 process, catching coal stove. Use cooked oil or used oil, a piece of paper towel or a piece of napkin in the middle, and then you light it and it's all ablaze. And then now I continue to add some piece of coal over it so it can, you know, catch the coals. Because remember it's a coal stove, so.
And remember you can't put it too early, because if you put too early, you will dead, right?
Yeah.
Oh, and if the coal basically wet, it's gonna take a very long time to light.
But through my coal dry, my fire go catch and go.
And tell them about the part underneath now. You turn to
so as we say again too, with coal stove, we have something under here called a sally, which is just a vent where air blows through. So it depends on the direction the wind is blowing. Right about now, if you watch the smoke going up. So it seems as if the wind is blowing up. So I'm going to turn the sally round this way, so the breeze blow through it and keep the fire blazing. So this will ensure that the fire blaze up more and more. So I'm say the fire catch, it has no turn back or turn back. So just watch the process as it goes on with the pot go on for the boil or scald the pork.
So guys, look here. Road basic. Look what water do. It's like actually you two were surrounded by beer water, but it actually make a little, they call this now, a little drain, a runnage catchment. Could I? Alright. Fire go blaze up and then it's pork time. So stay tuned guys. Okay guys, so the fire catch. Him catch a fire here. Alright, so I put on the pot now. The seasoning pot. Cause you not just season up the pork and put it on the grill and no. And that's how we do it. Not in Jamaica. We not do it so. You know, so from JA everything I go nice. Alright, so here I have now my pimento leaves. So I wash it off. I'm going to add this. I know it's a pimento seed already in a pot, but you know, want everything from the leaf. So when it start boil up now, I'm gonna put in the pork. Oh my garlic. Oh, I'm gonna have wait. I forgot of one knife. I did add a little brownie into it, but I think I have to shake out the back because the brownie they did done. I never know some kind of carrot this. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more to it. Not a lot, you know, because remember We don't want to pork too black. Then want it to jerk well nice. Biting through that. But actually guys, it's my first time I jerk pork. You know me I talk like me a big jerker. It's my first time actually I jerk pork. So let's see if I go turn out. Let's see, cause anything I touch turns to gold. All when I'm my first time. So make we say a jerk pork I go on now. Okay guys, so the pot is boiling up now, as you can see. Oh my gosh, smell of this, nice. So now it's time for me to put in my pork. You know, say pork I gonna get all of the seasoning there. So look, remember you can also season your pork or your meat where you go jerk from overnight. So you know, so the season they can well marinate and thing in it. So this, I don't know how long it should boil for, but I guess it's some time. So when it gets some boil and get in the season, so let me say about half an hour. Half an hour that good. Remember my first time, so I don't really know. So I guess until it get tender, right? So when it get tender, then I take it off and put it on to the grill. And guys, remember, this what I use is not a jerk pan. Actually, I'm a cold stove. So even if you want to jerk pork or chicken, you don't have a jerk pan, you can always use this technique that I'm going to show you in a few. So stay tuned guys, continue to watch Tesha's TV. Okay guys, so now it's time to check on the pork. About 10 minutes is on already. Okay, so now I'm going to turn them. So basically you can have an even cook. Looking nice, pretty. I go out with myself. If you know, the best jerk comes from Portland. So as a Portlander, yeah. One thing, you know, Jamaican girls them can cook. Jamaican women, they can cook very good. So if you get a Jamaican woman in your life, you get the world. As Christopher Martin, yeah? Yeah. My Jamaican girls. Okay guys, so now it's time to check back on the pork. So let's see what I'm going with the pork. Tenderize and everything. Oh, this one I want to stay a little bit more. So make this about 10 more minutes and then put it on to the grill. See? Jerk pork is alright. We're my jerk pork lovers. Remember guys, don't make it boil too much, you know. Don't make it overcook pan.She, you know, because remember we're going to put it on to the grill. So don't make it overcook. I think we're going to like about 15 minutes now. So I give it more 10 more minutes and then take it out. Because we want the steam from the cold stove. Jerk it. So you're not going to cook it because it's not straight pork. See? Okay guys, so the pork finished boil now. See the well nice. Well nice. So now I'm going to wrap this grill with a piece of foil. I don't want to kind of low to the fire. I never want to just put it on pan like that to dry it out. See? So Now wrap on this foil paper to it. That one here now I feel like it cover pan top, see? So me and build something. Outside with it now. Now have the jerk pan. So me I make my own. You know I have to be very creative. Alright, so fire time. Start all hot already. One day we can actually put some of them in madam. No? I just want to have okay. So now time for the pour. If you know me, you know say this tastes nice. For now, a true man, a true share talk. That is so good. Our own style. That piece I can go over some more. Over. So now guys, back to tomato leaf. So now wash them out. And spread it over it. If you know say I saw with jerk, right? Put it over it and then I go cover it. And then come make it so sharp. No, it's not sharp. And I go cover it. What I can jerk on cold stove like that. Cover it. And then you get your good old Dutch pot, or basically you can make it straight with him, but I'm going to cover it with my Dutchie. Then, guys, I forgot to bore up the file paper because remember, if you leave it covered like that, you actually are going to get it like steam, right? So, you guys to bore up the file. Guys, remember, jerking is more of like a smoky process, you know. You want to get that smoky flavor there. So just remember to bore up the file. Bore it up. Alright. You know? And then you put on back your things them. That's it. You know, see everything will come up. Watch it. Don't it nice? Talk truth. Then after, I'm going to put on some of my seasoning on it. The seasoning where they boil in the same water, I'm going to put on some on it so you can go and marinate the thing because I don't want it to dry out. I don't like dry out pork. I don't want some pork here. No, I don't want that. I want it well moist and nice. Fish jerk pork. Right, this one. Okay, so now you get some same water, your seasoning, You put it over it, guys, remember? And please remember, you know, you bore up the pan, you bore up the file. Understand? Well, basically, you don't have to use a file, you know. You don't have to use a file. You can just put it on the grill like that. Because you want it away there, but me don't want it dry out. But you bore it up so the smoke can still come through. Then you cover it back. Watch out. That's a joke. You put that back the same way. You put it on. And you cover it. Watch your steam. You see steam still a come up through? Yeah. Still a come up. Watch it. And then, you know, you cover it back. Right? Instead of be cover, you know. Like your grill, this should be a cover. Then that. Then you know leave that now, make it go and jerk. And then after we go fry some festival. Actually, I go fry festival. So alright, no, I'm gonna make the dough. I'm gonna fry it first, so he's gonna make the dough. So stay tuned, guys.
Yeah guys, so you see what I'm going now? See the jerk on the homemade grill. Yeah man, the flavor will come from it. So smoke a blow out, you know. See smoke that blow, that's what you want to have. Because remember again as I say, smoke is major part of jerking. You understand? You know, I wish Jamaican also come with that idea say the smoking is a part of the cooking, but that's how we do it in Jamaica, that's how we jerk. So see the smoke come out of it. So it'll get the real jerk out, steam out. Yeah man, so see the pot up on the fire.
My sister is coming. I got taste it.
Hi.
Hello.
What's up, Mama? What are we having today?
Some outside jerk pork.
I've never seen it like that before, but you tell me
You
something
never?
now to get no lunch today?
Alright. Oh no, she not eat pork.
No. Oh my God.
Let me show
I
you
was
what
wondering
God. You know, sir, Jamaica with this, you know, say you need a little
That is creative. That creative badtish.
Jesus Christ.
What?
Oh yeah.
And the pork. The pork is on fire.
So guys, guess what? I said I have to ball out our logo because and I did ask. So what's going on? I'm gonna start lift you up fire because they adding some more fire treated they start blaze up. So use less coal, alright? But it's
But it
still
makes
nice.
it beautiful though.
Okay.
It makes it pretty.
Nice. Well nice. So see that guys? Jerk pork.
Really looks lovely.
Really nice.
So you can improvise.
You know? I tell
Next
them
time
say,
do the chicken like that.
is there chicken?
Yes, because I don't participate in that.
Oh.
So do the chicken and I'll definitely be a part of it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. So guys, next time our request
Yeah.
jerk chicken.
Yes.
You know we can actually do
But not the gagoon.
baked chicken. Pan.She stove.
And the pork. Hey!
Baked chicken. Alright, so stay tuned guys. Eight pork. That's what we finish.
Finish.
Should I do now guys? Actually. Look nice. Pretty. No, this too soft. It's nice. Look good. Don't taste piece and tell me go on. I joke. Rasta don't eat pork. See? So about the next 5 minutes and you don't know. I think so. Right?
don't want to stop it vlog here.
For the next 5 minutes. And the pork done. Good to go. Yes, Mikhail, you're just coming in from school, right? Where you go now? Going to your friend's house? Alright. Alright.
With my friend Momo.
Okay. Alright, so you ready now for the door?
Alright guys, I'm there here now. I go need the dough for the festival, or in Jamaica we call it fry corn. We call it fry corn because the ingredients are flour, cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, salt, and it's called corn because it's mainly cornmeal. You understand? So in Jamaica we say fry corn. So if you go Boston or any of them famous jerk center, you know really hear them on a festival, you hear them say corn.
Really?
So yellow side them place you hear them say we sell fry corn.
I first met hear that.
Yeah man, a fry corn and call it. And as we say,
If first me hear that fry corn, normally me go order me say, give me 2 festival.
yeah, but then call it fry corn.
Okay.
You understand? So first,
It's to see I learn things daily. As I first met hear about fry corn. Fry corn.
Alright.
Yeah, festival but fry corn. First me hear that.
So I go first I go mix around the ingredients just to ensure that they're all mixed in and the dough becomes one. So I'm mixing the ingredients. Then I go add water. I add water a small amount each time because I don't want it to spoil. I don't want it to become too soft. Yeah, man, so I stir around the mixture until it gets dry. And once it gets too dry, just add some more water again. Just moist it up again. And stir around the mixture again until it comes as one dough. So keep stirring around the mixture until when we finish, the base is supposed to look like say. You can just turn them back and put them. You understand? Throw it clean, throw all of the flour that is in it, wipe out. It's supposed to look like you can put them back in a dish drainer. So you knead out. Every time the mixture gets too dry or dry, just add a tip more water, small amount of water, because we don't want it spoil. You don't want it to become too soft. And the further on you're going to kneading, the less water you add each time, just to ensure that you know spoil. And also the festival or fry corn mix, you don't need the dough to be solid. You need, compared to boiling it, you need a softer dough. So the dough have to be kind of soft for that boiling dough when you fry it, you understand? But it must be too soft that it spoil or that it's too watery.
So that kneading with the putting of the boiled dumpling, they would give that kneading for the festival.
Yeah, you know, need it so much.
Okay guys, so jerk pork ready. I had to remove this because nobody want to like pour steam out too much. So I'm gonna remove it and leave it like that. Pork nice, see? Look on jerk pork. Oh my god. Look at jerk pork. And then watch it now. You can go so you cut it, you know? You do a nice cut. Look at jerk pork. Nice. Actually tasty. T-shirts jerk pork.
Oh,
Spicy, you know? You want to try still?
like and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe. You don't want to taste it, Michaela?
No,
Why?
you go burn my mouth.
Oh, okay. Nice, guys. They're well nice.
Mm. Let me go- me-
Okay, guys. So, if pot ready, the festival. That one there was the tester. Zin? Wait till them get up. What's your name again? You call them festival. Father, what's your name again?
Right on.
Fry corn. You can make it do it now. Whatever you want it to be. You can make it do a long. Like Elsha Festival. Well, nice and pretty. Remember, guys, it don't take long to fry. So now have a pan there. So you go bone up, you see me? This was washed for this purpose. Alright. So when them the fry and done, we have a share or jerk pork meal. Stay tuned for that, guys. Continue to watching Tesha's TV. Okay, guys, so now it's time to share. Alright, pork. Should I go for one pork you know watching? Oh my god! Jerk pork and festival. You can have even jerk pork with fries, bread, anything where you want to have it with. But today, festival. Yes. Alright. Nice. Look at the knife just I got through. Skin part. You know what if people love them jerk pork, they love all the bone. Okay guys, so now finish making the jerk pork and festival. Well nice. Put these on it for the presentation, but not too much. Come the one that me should have do, but me still do a little. Yeah guys, well nice. Tesha's jerk pork. It's very good. It's there for nothing on me sort of this. Not one thing. When I say nothing, nothing. When you don't eat this and drink out some water, you don't want nothing more till night. Basically, you don't want to for the rest of the evening. Drink water and go on to your bed. Guys, please stay tuned. Continue to watching Tesha's TV. And if you're new here, big up yourself. Please leave a like, share, and comment. Guys, also subscribe. So bless upon yourself. And thank you guys so much for watching.